Hi guys, I am your educator and my name is Ashish Rawat. So today in this video we are going to study what is Bootstrap. So a Bootstrap is very important concept which every web developer must know. So today in this video we are going to study some steps how we can create our first very simple program without using CSS by only using Bootstrap. So before that we look for some important points about Bootstrap. So as here you can clearly see that a Bootstrap is a type of CSS framework that provides pre-made CSS file which can be included in our project. So there are some steps how we can use Bootstrap. Step number 1, to do add a Bootstrap link from a website getbootstrap.com. Step number 2, to do add Bootstrap pre-built card in a body tag. Step number 3, to do change in image IRC to display image address. And step number 4, to use flexbox or grid. So today in this video we're gonna make this card by the help of Bootstrap without using CSS. So this is a card basically of an IPL franchisee that is Chennai Super King, and we're gonna make this exactly the same card by the use of Bootstrap. So for that we're gonna firstly open our VS Code and open a new or previous file a folder. Now I'm gonna create here a file by the name of a.html, and inside that file I'm gonna add my boilerplate, and below title tag I'm gonna introduce or create style tag because I'm gonna using flexbox or grid in this video, so I'm creating style tag for it. Now as our first step we're gonna add Bootstrap link. So for that we're gonna open our Chrome browser, and inside Chrome browser we're gonna search get bootstrap.com. Now you land to this page, and here include by was CDN. So here you're gonna copy this link, and now came back to your VS Code, and below title tag you copied that link which you just copied. Now we're gonna see what is step number 2, to add Bootstrap pre-built card in body tag. So for that you again gonna come back to your Chrome browser. Here you can see our docs option, means document option, and here you can see for a card option because today we are gonna make card. Yes, so here you can see that this is the idle card which we're gonna make it in this video. So you copied that link and came back to your VS Code and paste it in your body tag like that. But before step number 3 we must introduce here a div by the name of container. So now we're gonna move forward for our step number 3, that is to change image src to display image address. So came back to your Google Chrome and search for a image. हमको सेम इमेज तो नहीं मिलेगी वो, लेकिन हम उसकी जैसी कोई रेप्लिका इमेज देख सकते हैं। जैसे मेरे को ठीक लग रही है तो यहाँ से हम कॉपी इमेज एड्रेस कर लेंगे और वापस VS कोड में आके यहाँ पे इमेज SRC आपने देखा होगा, इमेज SRC में हम एड्रेस पेस्ट कर देंगे। नाउ हियर आई थिंक हमारा लगभग जो हमारा गोल था, जो हमको कार्ड बनाना था, वो बन गया होगा। यस, आप देख सकते हैं 3 डॉट में क्लिक करेंगे, फिर यहाँ पे ओपन इन ब्राउजर ओपन करेंगे, ये देखिए। लेकिन आप यहाँ पे नोटिस कर रहे होंगे कि जो हमको बनाना था कार्ड वो एकदम पेज के सेंटर में था, बट here you can see that it is slightly below the left hand side. So इसको बीच में लाने के लिए, to make it in the center of the web page, we are using flexbox. So again came back to your VS Code and inside style tag display, oh sorry, but before that we should write container, and inside container display flex. And now I'm gonna using some properties of flexbox. So now I'm gonna using some flexbox properties, that is justify content center. Oh sorry, there is some mistake in the spelling. Center. And now align content center. but I think it is not at the center of the page. Yeah, because here you can see that जो हमको बनाना था वो एकदम एग्जैक्ट बीच में है हमारे ब्राउज़र के, बट जो हमारा अभी बना है ये स्लाइटली थोड़ा ऊपर है, इसको थोड़ा नीचे लाने के लिए हम अगेन हम बहुत सारे फॉर्मेट्स है, बट मैं प्रेफर जो करता हूँ वो मार्जिन है, मार्जिन टॉप, और इसको हम यहाँ पे 200 पिक्सल ले लेंगे, इसको हम 200 पिक्सल ले लेंगे, और नाउ आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारा सेम वही बन गया है कार्ड जो हमको बनाना था। सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर इट, एंड अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल।